Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to import a JSON file into Google Sheets step by step. Let's begin. First of all, open your Google Drive. Then upload your example JSON file. Click new file upload and double click your JSON file, then upload it. I'm already uploaded to this example JSON file. And again go to your Google Spreadsheet, file, new, go to extension, tab, apps script, allow your Gmail account, click OK. Then paste code. See this? Okay, and now see this, paste JSON file URL here. Again go to your Google Drive, then see this example JSON file, right click on your mouse, share, copy link, and again click to this tab, press Ctrl V on your keyboard, then save. Wait some moment, then run. Review permissions. Review your Gmail account, choose your Gmail account, then verify your Gmail account or Google account, then automatically open your JSON file in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.